Hey, what's up everyone? Nathan here, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make money online playing with apps and having fun. Easy and fast to do. All you have to do is stay with me, but first, if you're new around here, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I upload videos about how to make money online and work from home opportunities on a consistent basis, and hit that notification bell also to be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright, so we do want to step out of our hard work daily routine many times, and we want to do some fun things like playing with apps is a good example, and why not even make a few extra bucks, of course, while we do that. Sunday is a good example. It is actually Sunday, and that's how I came up with the idea here today. So keep in mind also that you can't get rich with these kind of opportunities. If you're interested in making some real money online and build a real online business, you definitely want to check out the link in my description below here. But we save that for the end of this video, of course, because now we want to step out of our daily hard working life, have some fun while playing with apps, and of course making some money there. Let's get started. Okay, the first app that we're going to have a look at today is actually appkarma.io. That's where we find the desktop information. It says that it is available for iOS and Android users here. So basically it is about earn rewards playing with apps. It's free to install. You complete offers to earn rewards, then redeem your points for PayPal or top brand gifts. Available, as I said earlier, here for iOS and Android users. By just installing it, you actually get 300 points, so that is really nice. There is also referral reward, so you can share your link and you earn 30% for what your referral earns. That is really nice. Now, if you're a YouTuber with many views, you can apply to become a VIP. The Karma Place lets you earn daily rewards for playing with the apps you've installed on App Karma. Simply keep the apps, and by clicking here how it works, we arrive to this page. So you can see here, step 1, you complete the offer with Karma Place. Most offers in App Karma come with the Karma Place. Total Karma Play bonuses you receive is displayed. You receive your Karma Place. Step 3, Karma Play becomes available, and you start to play with the app, to launch the app, playing with the app for 4 minutes, and you collect the bonuses here. So that is really nice also. Bonus received. I had a look earlier here. There is an FAQ, of course. You can go ahead. What is App Karma, for example? It lets you earn PayPal cash and gift cards, exactly what we went through here. When you complete offers, play with apps, watch videos, invite friends, etc. So you can actually make money with more things than just playing around with apps, but we actually had a look at it today for playing around with apps. But watching video, I mean, you don't get tired actually, or inviting a friend to do this. So you can make a few extra bucks here, definitely. How do I earn rewards? Well, it is exactly as we explained earlier. Click offer and install the app. You open the app and play with it right away. Follow any offer requirements. Reach level 5. Complete tutorial in order to get rewarded. Come back to the app, and it can take up a few hours before the advertiser issues their rewards. So definitely pretty fast, I would say. But you can have a look at the FAQ here for yourself at your own pace. So that is about App Karma. Just go to iOS or if you're on Android at Google Play, and download the app and start to play and make some extra money there. The next app that we want to have a look at, pretty similar, is actually appgreedy.com. So appgreedy.com, easily earn cash by watching videos, trying new free apps and games, completing surveys, giving your opinion, testing services, free trials with super fast payments in many ways. New offers every day. So it is available both on Google Play and iOS. This was a video just to show you here. You can install game apps, take surveys, and yeah, there is a lucky wheel also you can play, watch videos, so works pretty similar, I would say, actually. You can see here, visit App Greedy, you sign up, you earn points, download apps and games, and you get paid, okay? Exchange earned points for gift cards or any other cash out options. Of course, you have there is a referral program here also. You get up to 50% cut of all the profit. So that is nice also if you have a YouTube channel. So it is pretty similar actually. This was really cool, multi-language. You can use it in your native language. You just go to the account setting and select the language you want. And many cash out options, which is really nice also. So I had a quick look at it earlier here at Google Play. You can see here basically exactly what I was telling you earlier. Easily earn cash and gift cards by watching videos, trying new free apps and games, completing surveys, giving your opinion, testing services, free trials with super fast payments in many ways. And there is new tasks every day. So you can see you can make money anytime, anywhere. There are no complicated missions to visit places or wander around. You are paid cash in PayPal, PaySafe, gift cards, Google, iTunes, Amazon, and much other cash out options. You asked it, we added it. So, and best of all, you see here, guaranteed super fast payouts in cash, paying 100%. So definitely, there you have it. Just go ahead, download App Greedy also to get started to make a few extra bucks. I think these two applications are enough to play around with. No need to go further, because we do want to make some real money online and build a real online business, of course, also. Now, if you're interested in that, all you have to do is click the link in my description below for my #1 recommendation to make a full-time income online. If you got some value out of this video, I really do appreciate if you hit the like button below. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channels. Hang on, don't leave yet. You'll find an end screen here with 2 channel recommendations. Both are mine, both are related to make money online and work from home opportunities. Hit the notification bell also to be notified every time I upload a new video. And you also find another cool video recommendation on how to make money online. Alright, that's it for today. Go ahead now, have fun, make some extra money, and I'll see you soon.